Hello, hello there world. I happen to be over at a very good friend of mine's house who did at one point commission me to do this table. I think it's about 5 years now, and I just thought I would videotape it real quick and show you what epoxy looks like after 5 years with just a clear flood coat, Stonecoat Countertop, regular epoxy, and how it looks. It's really hard with glare, but I can try and show you. Now, this table is used every single day. The kids eat breakfast on it. They do their homework sometimes on it when they need to be separate and play trucks. The parents drink coffee on it. It's right in the kitchen. It is literally used every single day. It's also right near their main entrance, so they put groceries and, throw backpacks and things like that on it. So you up close can see, I'm gonna try to find, there's one area right here. So this area right here, yes, it is scratched. There's kids that live here. This is 5 years old. But I have to get right on it to see it and be in just the right lighting. But the minute you come up, you can't see it at all. And it's really just that spot. Other than that, I'm gonna try to figure out what angle I can get to where you can see the swirls. Right there. You can kind of see swirling. That is on every single kitchen or bathroom counter table that you have, even your car, any finish, you're gonna get those swirls. But this is 5 years later. Epoxy table. It was over old laminate, I believe. I will link the actual video of how I made it in the description. And I just wanted to show you. Epoxy lasts. And then I also asked her what she cleans it with. She says she just uses Dawn dish soap and water. And that's it. That's all she ever needs. The chairs are still in great condition considering, like I said, baby and toddlers. You probably hear them in the background right now. Everyone's at the pool. Sparkle. Love this table. So that's it. Gonna have a couple more videos coming out shortly. And there we go. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.